This is an exclusive, never seen anywhere before. We doing Big Mac turkey burgers right here on What the Fork. Let's get into it. All right, we're going to make the sauce first. Let's get the mayo. Put that in there. All right, next, some minced onion. A little bit of ketchup. Some sugar. Some sweet relish. Dill relish. French dressing. There you go. Get that in there. And we're going to go ahead and mix it up. Mix. Oh, almost forgot. Pinch of salt. All right, let's mix now. Get that all mixed up. And once that's mixed up, we're going to take that, put it to the side. Let's make our burgers. All right, these are a half a pound of turkey burger. Half a pound split in half, each patty. Pat it out. And then all you want to do is just put a little bit of salt. And some cracked black pepper. Let them cook about 3 minutes each side. And then add your American cheese. Throw that on there. Cover it. Let it melt. Come back. Booyah. All right. Let's plate them up. Let's get this burger going. Put your sauce on first. This is Big Mac traditional style. Sauce on the bottom bun. Sauce on the middle bun. All right. Next. Lettuce on the bottom bun. Lettuce on the middle bun. Next. Pickles on the middle bun. There you go. Patty on the bottom bun. Stack it. Next one, patty on the middle bun. Put it up. There you go. This is a What the Fork exclusive, man. Big Mac turkey burger. Never seen before. Only right here on What the Fork. Hit the subscribe button. Everybody have a happy Labor Day. We're gone.